Uba lakmen Rymbui Menteri Badikmi ikadrat kampo yang ke sarkar jala ulaong bagi ophisar kimdan hak ban ñion beiñ ki nong ki lui-lui namar la dadran kanu ki hab ban rasaki hayeng bishar kani ke jingkynnoh uba lakmen kalong halar ke jingkynnoh ke BJP bagi pulit ke West Karo Hills District ki ñion beiñ ki nong tray ke parti hadin ke jingsha kemu Bernard and Marak FDC ke parti natura dakaba dawa wengkam USP bat DC ke West Karo Hills ke BJP ke la kenoru bak ñion beiñ ki pulit ki nong tray kadi ke kamyo nong san perthai halor kani ke jingkynnoh uba Rymbui laong bom la ban ong Henry laong pat bak sarkar ke simkhia badon kanu ke kambian.
No officer of the government have the right to harass the people, the innocent people. But if there is any thing which linked to the case for the sake of investigation, that the police are within the right to do the necessary thing to see and to substantiate the case. So this is the usual procedure of the case. I don't see there is any harassment. As I said, nobody is above the law. Even the police officer also do. They are the law implementing agency. They have no right to harass the innocent person. Investigation is on, and the SP of West Karo Hills has every now and then give the press statement regarding the process of the case. Let us wait. And moreover, you have seen that besides the investigation in this case, the district administration itself also have issued the magisterial inquiry into all these type of things. So I hope that the truth will come out and we will see. So let us wait. As of now, I cannot say anything, but my stand is very clear that no matter who you are, you have no right to harass the innocent person. But if it will help, or if there is a link to the case, that is a different issue altogether. I cannot say about that, the demand of the people of the country. Now we have seen that there is a massive raid on drug everywhere. So do you think that because of this thing, so somebody will demand that to stop this raid, or the police officer who raid this thing will be stopped? No. The duty of the police officer is to see that as much as possible, that to see that the law and order prevail, and moreover that all the criminal activities should be contained or eradicated. So removal of officers because of the demand of somebody or anything, that does not arise. But if they do anything which found wanting, which the law, in the eye of the law, that we have no other option to do that. Through this raid, through this arrest, the investigation in respective case is going on, and linking of the case, whether it is an isolated case or there is a wider cartel, that I will not be able to tell you, and I will. So let the police work on this, let the law enforcement agency work on this, so that we could, if at all, we could establish and reach to the people responsible for this.